Okay, here's the materials I need to sew those extra sequin strawberries onto my sweater dress. Once I get the strawberries on there, we can sew up the dress. This should be a simple, easy project. I don't think it'll take me 2 years or anything to get it done.
One eternity later.
It took 2 years to get this dress done. So if you're not aware, one of my first projects on the channel was my version of the viral strawberry dress from 2020. I had scrap fabric left over, which meant a lot of extra sequin strawberries. And I had this dead stock pink material from Walmart, so I thought it would be cool to create a winter version of the strawberry dress. However, it took forever to finish applying the strawberry appliques to the sweater fabric, but I got it done, and now I'm going to finish it. So if you need a reminder, here is this quick sketch I made of my strawberry dress in pink with the strawberries hastily drawn in. I did change the neckline and the sleeves eventually, as you'll see, but for now this is the basic silhouette. And here are all of the extra strawberry appliques that I cut out of my scrap fabric. I still have some extras, so I was going to eventually make a purse or something out of them. And here is me laying out the strawberries on top of the sweater material that I cut out. It's just a basic T-shaped dress with some space for pockets. I'm just lining them up and trying to make them go in different directions, starting with the center and then going on the sides. And yes, this did take about 2 years to embroider all those strawberries on, because I was basically just doing it while I was watching Svengoolie movies with my family on Saturday nights. And it took a lot, and it was a lot of time and a lot of embroidery material. At one point you'll see I have a different color green embroidery floss because it just ran out. But basically, I did get it done, and unless you're looking at it, you can't really tell. And what I did, I just safety pinned all of these strawberries on. I used safety pins, that way I wouldn't have to worry about them moving around or getting poked with pins. And then I just used green embroidery floss to get on the green parts of the strawberry applique, and then red on the red parts, just to make it blend in better. And like I said, it took a long time, but I did get it done eventually, and now I get to share the results with you. And you'll see in a minute that I decided to put tulle on the hem and on the sleeves and on the neckline, and as I originally was going to do more sweater material, but I don't know where all the sweater material parts that I cut out went. So I decided to just go ahead and go with tulle, because I figured that would mimic the original Lyrica Matoshi design. And I do like it. I do have to eventually add more tulle to make it more fluffy and full and more nice, along with some fixing the side seams, which you'll see at the end of the video. Okay, so I finally finished putting on embroidering the little strawberries onto the sweater material. Now I'm gonna sew the tulle to the cuffs and the neckline and the bottom of the hem to make it look nice when I sew it all together. So hopefully I get this done quickly. Okay, so I have my sweater dress here, and what I've done is I've added this pink tulle to the cuffs and the hemline of the dress part, and I'm just going to add this a little bit around the collar to try to finish that off, make it look nice, and then I will just fold this together right side to right side and sew all the way around, including the pockets. All right, and there is my sweater dress sewn together inside out. See, I just serged along the sides and along the pockets. I just gotta turn this right side out and try it on. Well, so it is done for now. As I was recording this, I just discovered that there's a huge hole where the pocket is. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I also do want to eventually add some more ruffle up here to just make it look nicer, more tulle. And I might add elastic sleeves. I do kind of like that they're like this. Overall, I am pretty happy with it. And it's not perfect, obviously, but it's done for now, and it's super cute. So, next video we'll be doing my birthday dress and starting on our Glinda dress officially. So, stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're subscribed, please subscribe. If you don't, please share a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.